Hey guys, so this video is super impromptu because I didn't expect to be like just sitting here at the table and then my package come. So let me show you what I got. Let me position this. Let's see. I like was in a t-shirt and everything. So this is a weird angle. My Sony A-5100 just came in the mail. And yeah, let me unbox it. Let me switch positions because this light is hitting my phone, which is what I usually record on. If you didn't know, I use my iPhone 7 Plus to record all of my videos. I used to use my Nikon D5300 DSLR camera, but I got lazy, like, especially when traveling. I got tired of carrying that camera around to record, I want to say vignettes, I guess. And I just do everything with my phone. So I got this camera because it's great, not only for vlogging or recording yourself, but it is also good for taking shots. And I know a lot of travel bloggers that use this camera. So I've been obsessed for some time. And so I just traded in my Nikon for this. And yeah, let's open it up. I still need to prop you up. There we go. Oi, okay. I never look at these things. It's like, why are there so many? Oh, one about the lens. Oh, and then I guess another one in a foreign language about the lens as well. But yeah, you don't want to see that? Oh, my hands aren't ashy. Like, I literally was not expecting this. All right, box. We have the little wall adapter for the charger. One thing about this camera is you can't, or I guess if you buy an additional charger, but you're supposed to charge the actual camera versus take the battery out and put it in the little, I don't know what you would call that unit, but take the battery out, put it in the thing, and then put that in the wall like I did with my Nikon. But I strongly believe that you can buy the actual wall charger for this, but it doesn't come in the box. So then we have the actual battery, a strap. I thought the strap was going to be different than this. So I'm glad that I ordered another case, and then I have my old strap from my Nikon that will go with this, but yeah, I probably won't be using that. Also, luckily, I ordered a bundle, so I got a brand new memory card, which is great because mine has kind of had it. Get this out of the way. Mine is pretty shot. Okay. I'm like getting a feel for the weight and stuff. I've heard some issues about these little things, so when you're recording, you can hear them. So when I do put the actual strap on, I need to see if I can muffle that. I also ordered, this doesn't come with plastic on it. Does it? I feel like I see plastic on it, but I could be tripping. So I also ordered a screen protector for this. Let's see. Oh, and it comes with I was worried that it wouldn't come with the lens cap. All right, let me get the memory card in and get this baby set up and then see what it does. Okay, I may zoom through this, but for now, I'm just gonna keep this thing running. This is not gonna be an official unboxing where I go over like the tech specs and stuff. I guess I could read the box really quickly. Oh, you guys, people aren't gonna know what this stuff is. So it has 24.3 megapixels, fast hybrid AF, touch focus. Oh, I guess I can say that. This screen is touch screen, which I've never had a touchscreen camera, so I kind of appreciate that because I hate going through the menu and like clicking, but it just gets confusing where when I see what I want to do, I just want to hit it, not like scroll around or try to get to that specific menu or that specific button. Built-in flash, duh. Why is it saying? Oh, recommended accessories. And one of the recommended accessories is the battery charger, which it does not come with. Yeah, I don't know what to say. You can use your phone, the app Play Memories, as a remote, which I downloaded last night. When I knew this baby was on its way, I'm like, I need to do that instead of trying to set up my wireless remote because I kind of gotten out of the swing of that. I don't really mess with that anymore. I use the timer now. What else is important? 4K. Is this memory card? It would be nice if they did not. It would be nice. Oh, it's 4K still image, not video. Because I was gonna say, because this came in a bundle, the memory card is one of the things that came with it, and it would have been nice if they sent me a 4K capable memory card. But we'll see, we'll see. Okay, I have the right memory card, SDXC. Yeah, nothing much else to say about it. I've been studying up on this camera for a while. I've even realized that not everybody is like hype about getting an extra lens. Like they're fine with this lens, even when it comes to recording videos. Like you don't have to get, I think 35 millimeter was very popular. And this is I want to say this is 16 to 50 millimeters. But yeah, they were like, it's not that much of a difference where you need to go out and get that set lens versus the kit lens. So I am excited about that. Oh, I'm gonna push this over. First of all, I think I'm about to just turn on this camera. What am I doing wrong here? I think I'm about to, oh, it's in there wrong. I thought I was about to just turn on this camera and record, but what if it needs to be charged? All right, there we go for the battery, which I don't like. It doesn't snap shut on its own. I have to like slide this over. So I hope that never breaks. And then this is just bouncing open. Here's where the memory card goes. Interesting, interesting. And instead of this being rubber, this seems to be like a hard plastic. So this is where I would charge it. And also, I feel like, so whenever I want to get my images off, it looks like I am going to have to take the memory card out every time, which is fine. All right, let's see if you turn on. And it does not, so this baby needs to be charged. See you guys when I charge it. Okay, so the camera is slightly charged, and yeah, I'm gonna turn this baby on. I really like how this looks. I'm gonna play around and see what it looks like vlogging on here versus here. Let's see, I guess I just press movie. Here we go. Yikes, I am oily, but I look okay here. All right, so I'm gonna walk around into different lights. Okay, so right now I am very dark on the camera, but here, I don't know where this light is coming from, but I can see myself much better in my phone. Okay, but I'm assuming I can just change settings on the camera to lighten that up. I feel like I'm washed out on my phone right now, and I feel like I look great in the camera, like my skin tone. Also, I'm curious about the sound. So right now, I'm gonna use sound from the camera, or up until this point, I will be using sound from the camera. It's dark over here. I still look good right here. Interesting. And now I'm gonna switch to the audio on my iPhone 7 Plus. Dark, but you can still see me for the most part on the phone. All right. Color is much better on this camera than on the phone, which, what would you expect? But I've never had any complaints about this phone. So yeah, color is much better in low light settings. But I just got to figure out how to get it to auto, like reset when I'm going into darker light, which is something I'll probably need to Google or YouTube. All right, lights off. Pardon me. All right. Okay, so I'm back on the camera. One more thing I want to check, but I'm not going to include like a double clip this time. Well, I guess because the screen is bigger, I wanted to see like how much I was in the camera. And since my iPhone 7 Plus screen is huge, yeah, I just see more of myself. But yeah. Oh, accidentally recording. So yeah, we are back to sound solely from the camera, and I'm really digging it. I still got to figure out, how to lighten it up a little bit, but I never want to be like so washed out. I'd much rather be darker than a lot lighter, and yeah, it doesn't look like my actual skin tone. So I see that I started with like 24% when I turned this on. I was only talking for a couple minutes, and now I'm already down to 20%. So gonna charge this baby, and then yeah, get this video uploaded for you guys. Hey, bad bitches wanna